Why should anyone care about optimizing their Facebook presence in 2024? Well, let's dive into the world where digital landscapes are constantly evolving, and Facebook remains a titan of influence. Imagine reaching over 2 billion active users, each a potential viewer, subscriber, or customer. That's the unparalleled reach of Facebook today. In the realm of digital marketing, Facebook is not just a platform, it's a vital tool that can significantly amplify brand visibility and foster deep customer engagement. By optimizing your Facebook presence, you unlock the door to a global audience waiting to be engaged with compelling content and interactive campaigns. Consider this. A well-optimized Facebook page can increase your brand's visibility not just by numbers, but through quality interactions. These are interactions that go beyond likes and shares, creating meaningful connections that drive loyalty and word-of-mouth recommendations. So why focus on Facebook in your digital strategy? Because when done right, the impact is immense. Grasping Facebook's potential is the first step towards harnessing its power for your brand's advantage. Every successful journey begins with a clear destination in mind. In the realm of Facebook marketing, setting specific, measurable goals isn't just a preliminary step, it's the foundation of your entire strategy. Let's delve into why it's crucial to define your objectives from the get-go. Consider this. Without a clear target, how will you know if your efforts are succeeding? Setting goals like increasing brand awareness involves quantifying this through metrics such as page likes, shares, and reach. If boosting engagement is your aim, then tracking comments, likes, and interactions on your posts becomes essential. Perhaps your focus is driving sales. In this case, your goal could be to enhance conversion rates through Facebook ads, leading directly to increased online sales. Each of these goals requires different tactics and tools, shaping the strategies you deploy. By establishing these clear, measurable objectives, you tailor your approach to meet specific needs, ensuring every action is purpose-driven and aligned with your end goals. With your goals in place, you're ready to tailor your Facebook strategy effectively. Who are you talking to on Facebook? Diving into the bustling world of Facebook, it becomes crucial to not just speak, but to speak to the right ears. Imagine crafting a message so precise that it feels like a whisper directly into the ear of your audience. To achieve this, start by understanding who that audience is. Demographics such as age, gender, and location form the backbone of audience understanding. But let's delve deeper. Preferences and online behaviors provide a richer palette from which to paint a more complete picture. What content does your audience engage with most enthusiastically? Is it videos, detailed articles, or quick tips? When are they most active online? Morning rush or late night scrolls? With this knowledge, tailor your content meticulously. It's like tuning an instrument perfectly before a performance. The content resonates, the ads target with laser precision, and your Facebook strategy transforms from shouting into the void to engaging in a meaningful conversation. Understanding your audience ensures your message hits the mark every time. Content is king, but context is queen. In the bustling world of Facebook, where millions of posts compete for attention daily, crafting content that not only stands out, but also resonates with your audience is crucial. Let's dive into the types of content that have proven their worth on this platform. First up, videos. Not just any videos, but those that tell a story, evoke emotions, or provide value. Whether it's a quick DIY tutorial or a behind-the-scenes look at your operations, videos have a way of captivating viewers, encouraging them to watch, like, share, and comment. Next, infographics. In our fast-paced world, infographics are a hit for delivering statistics and data in an easily digestible format. They blend visual appeal with information, making complex data straightforward and engaging. And let's not forget user-generated content. It's like gold in the world of Facebook engagement. Sharing content created by your followers not only boosts your authenticity, but also encourages more users to interact and contribute, creating a vibrant community atmosphere. Now, creating this engaging, valuable, and shareable content requires tools. Leveraging content creation and scheduling tools can streamline your process and ensure your posts hit Facebook when your audience is most active. Tools like Canva for design or Hootsuite for scheduling can be game changers, allowing you to maintain consistency in your content delivery. With compelling content, your Facebook page becomes a magnet for engagement. Throwing money on ads without strategy is like throwing darts blindfolded. To master Facebook ads, start by setting up your ad account, which acts as your command center. Here you can manage your campaigns, track performance, and make adjustments on the fly. Next, familiarize yourself with the different ad formats available. Whether it's a short video clip, a carousel of images, or a simple photo, each format serves a unique purpose and can cater to various aspects of your campaign goals. Choosing the right format can significantly impact the effectiveness of your message. One of Facebook's strengths lies in its powerful targeting capabilities. You can pinpoint your audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even connections. This precision allows you to deliver your ads to the people most likely to be interested in your products or services, ensuring more efficient use of your budget. Speaking of budget, setting and sticking to one is crucial. Facebook offers options for daily or lifetime budgets, and you can choose to pay per impression or per click. Start small if you're new, and use the data gathered to scale your spending intelligently. Monitoring ad performance is equally important. Keep an eye on metrics like click-through rates, engagement rates, and conversion rates. These indicators will help you understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to fine-tune your campaigns for better results. Remember, Facebook ads are not just about spending money, they're about making money. Strategize your ads to convert views into value. Engagement breeds loyalty. In the bustling world of Facebook, merely posting content isn't enough. It's vital to interact with your followers actively. This interaction not only boosts your visibility, but also fosters a lasting connection with your audience. Start by responding promptly to comments. Whether it's a simple thank you or a detailed reply to a query, each response shows that you value your audience's input and presence. This can significantly enhance their loyalty and engagement with your brand. Consider harnessing the power of Facebook groups. These are fantastic for building a community around shared interests. By regularly engaging in these groups, you can gain insights into what your audience truly cares about, which in turn can guide your content strategy. Don't forget to utilize interactive posts. Polls, quizzes, and live videos are excellent tools for sparking conversations and gathering feedback. They make your audience feel like they're a part of the creative process. Engage actively and watch your community thrive. What gets measured gets managed. Diving into the world of Facebook Insights, this powerful tool is your compass in the vast ocean of digital marketing. It's not just about posting content and hoping for the best. It's about understanding what truly resonates with your audience. Let's focus on some key metrics that matter. First, pay attention to engagement rates. This includes likes, comments, shares, and even the less glamorous, but equally important click-through rates. These indicators tell you not just who sees your content, but who finds it compelling enough to interact with. Next, examine your reach. How far is your content traveling? Are you really reaching your target demographic, or is your voice getting lost in the digital ether? Now take this data and use it to refine your strategies. If a particular type of post garners more engagement, it's a clear signal your audience wants more of this. Tailor your content to these insights, test different approaches, and keep the cycle of improvement rolling. Analyze regularly to keep your Facebook presence in top form. Let's quickly recap the essentials of Facebook optimization. First, we discussed setting your goals. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving traffic, or boosting sales, clear objectives are your roadmap to success. Next up, understanding your audience. Knowing who you're talking to is crucial. It enables you to tailor your content and connect more deeply. Speaking of content, creating compelling posts is key. Quality content that resonates and engages is what sets you apart on a crowded platform. Then, we dived into mastering Facebook ads, an invaluable tool for reaching a broader audience with precision and efficiency. We also emphasized the importance of engaging with your community. Building relationships and fostering interactions can turn followers into advocates. And lastly, the power of analyzing and optimizing. Regularly reviewing your performance helps refine strategies and maximize impact. Optimize your Facebook strategy and watch your digital influence grow. Start today.